Hello students, in this video we will discuss about general solution and particular solution of differential equation. General solution and particular solution of differential equation. Write differential equation in short form DE. General solution and particular solution. What is the general solution? In a solution which have contain an arbitrary constant as like A and B is known as general solution, and a solution which have particular values of that arbitrary constant is known as particular solution. That means in general solution, a solution which have no any arbitrary constant, which have arbitrary constant as A and B is known as general solution, and a solution which have particular value of arbitrary constants is known as particular solution. That means in any equation, in any differential equation, in solution of any differential equation contain the arbitrary constant, then this type of solution is known as general solution. And if a solution of any differential equation is no any arbitrary constant, on the place of arbitrary constant there is given a particular values of that arbitrary constant is known as particular solution. Now here we take some example. Solution of any differential equation. First question is verify the x plus y equal to 5 is a general solution, is a solution of dy upon dx plus 1 equal to 0. Now you can see here x plus y is equal to 5. This is a normal equation, and we prove it. This normal equation is the solution of this differential equation. This is the differential equation because in this relation one differential coefficient is used. For this we should be take the differential derivative of this equation, means x plus y equal to 5. Differentiating this with respect to x, therefore 1 plus dy upon dx equal to differentiation of 5 is 0. Therefore dy upon dx plus 1 equal to 0. Since differential equation of given equation is same as well as given differential equation, therefore we can say that this is the general solution of this given differential equation, or this is the differential equation of given this solution. Now in the next video we will take next topic related to differential equation.